Hi, Shirley from ShiFio Patterns here today, and today we're going to do quite an easy swatch, I think anyway. It's a 9-stitch repeat and it only takes 4 rows. I think it looks rather super just for 4 rows. That's the front and that's the back. Not a lot on the back really. Some of them you can, sometimes the back looks quite nice, but can't see that for that one. Yeah, that's it there. So right, let's get started. I'm going to use the same colour as what I've used on that one, and I have cast it on 18 stitches. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, just checking. That is all you need. You don't need edge stitches just because of the way the pattern basically lies. So row 1 is a knit row, which I will do now. Every stitch. Matches my nails, this colour, doesn't it? Oops. That's row 1 finished. Okay, row 2, which is the wrong side, which is, and you repeat this, it is knit 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2. There we go. So repeat again, knit 2, knit 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2. Now this is the important row. So you repeat knit 2, that's the knit 2, knit 2 together, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, knit 2, and we'll do that once more. Knit 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, knit 2. And the next row is a repeat of knit 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 again. We're starting again, so it's knit 2, 1, 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2, 1, 2, and that is basically it. You just repeat those 4 rows all the way up, and this is what it turns out like. Really nice. Looks nice with a garter edging on it. matches the bit going up the centre. The garter rows going up the centre. Anyway, I hope you've liked this video. If you do, maybe you could like, the links are down below. You could like, share, subscribe to our channel. That would be most helpful. And happy knitting. Thank you so much for watching.